Assalamualaikum. Hello, girls. Good night. By the way, for now, I'm so sad and boring at the same time.
Have a nice dream.
Good
Good
night.
night.
Scar, did your little sister and your little brother disturbing you?
Hey, how you know? Yes, they're disturbing me, and I'm so tired about it.
For you, Sekar.
Hey, how dare you? Thank you for making me laugh for a second. By the way, girls, I have one topic about disaster. I wonder if anyone know about earthquakes, girls?
Earthquakes are vibrations that occur on the Earth's surface due to sudden release of internal energy that creates seismic waves. Earthquakes are usually caused by the movement of the earth. An earthquake centers
Wow, that's so great. But by the way, our country is often by hit an earthquake.
Yes,
In my opinion, instead of a volcano erupting, an earthquake is completely useless.
I agree with you, Putri. I think earthquake are in everything like a building, home, and can make a tsunami, right?
Yes, right. Earthquake often come suddenly, but tsunami are often accompanied by earthquakes.
so bad. I read that every beach or sea disaster response is usually with a. Did Indonesia have siren?
Yes, our country have battles.
So sad. I hope Indonesia can have.
I heard Japan have many siren.
Me too, I heard that they country every week and earthquake. A siren.
The country one of country form passed by the Pacific plate, right?
Right? I see our country, Indonesia too.
Wow. Yes, their people always ready for earthquake and they learned from tsunami incident on 11 March 2011. Yes, incident.
A strength of 7.9, while the GMA tsunami alert says 8.4 and finally 9.0. The focus of the earthquake was reported off the coast of the Osaka Peninsula on the east coast of Tohoku on March 11, 2011 at 5:46 UTC at the depth of right?
Oh my God, it's so big earthquake. To be honest, I am so scary about earthquake, guys. I can imagine how people live to saving their life from tsunami, saving their family. I'm so sad and please accept my condolence.
But every disaster has a reason.
Yes, I see.
The Japanese tsunami became an international disaster because Japan was also one of the countries that helped the world economy.
How can not so many people die and disappear?
Surely the West only made the worst in millions of dollars, maybe it can still be.
Can just we flashback our big disaster, earthquake and tsunami on Aceh 26 December 2004. And a long time ago, I heard erupting Krakatau Mound on my birthday, but the erupting Krakatau when 26 August 1800 and 83.
There are big disasters.
Yes, I just imagine how people has big trauma and rebuild buildings, and how they harm with a many memory just disappear.
I agree with you, and I just can imagine the fight.
Girls, our discussion just make me sad. Very bad. Sad.
I hope you all are safe, guys.
Where we live, there could be a disaster.
Yes, I agree with this, Carl, but we must be aware anywhere, anytime, and must be calm when a disaster just happened, right?
Yes, just we panic when everything we know we can do anything to save our life.
Disaster is a test from the God.
Have you heard about the latest news?
I think I heard about Palu.
Which one?
I bet the one that just happened yesterday in Palu.
Yeah, exactly. I was very surprised.
I have my family there, but thank God they are all safe and sound.
Alhamdulillah, your family are safe. I just saw.
Or no, where is your family now? Because I heard that Palu residents panicked and slept in their yards during the earthquake and tsunami in central Sulawesi. Thousands of people who fled at high altitudes on Friday night. On Saturday morning, began walking back to their homes after the earthquake and tsunami that hit.
My family at a rich place, my cousin and his mother, his family, when the second earthquake occurred, immediately evacuated to a high place in Karatuna village, Palu City. At that time, many residents were in a state of panic, trying to run to a high place, and last night, sleeping in the residence yard and roads on hillsides.
Oh, that's great.
Anybody know about the detail of the earthquake?
Well, as far as I'm reading from the newspaper, it's a 7.5 magnitude earthquake and followed by a tsunami with wave up to 6-meter high.
That's true. And by the way, guys, and you also need to know why our country is prone to earthquake. It because Indonesia lies on the Ring of Fire, which is the line of frequent quakes and volcanic eruption that circle virtually the entire Pacific Rim.
I agree with guys. There's nothing wrong to which destroy the house.
My cousin best friend in Palu became one of the victims of her house being damaged. In addition, tens of thousands of buildings consisting of homes, public and social facilities, commercial buildings, and infrastructure were badly damaged.
Or for your chosen best friend.
Please accept my condolences.
I see. Thanks a lot for the info, guys. Let's just pray for the victim and all.
I just remember how our discussion about disaster and for now, our country affected by disaster earthquake in Palu.
And contrarily, it just very make me sad.
I just wanna be a volunteer. Can we move to Palu right now?
Maybe not. We just teenagers with strict parents. I think we just send our prayer and our donation.
Sure, Jessica can do it.
How about you girls? Are you agree with me?
Yes.
Yes.
We start with saving our money and our new use clothes.
I have many clothes. I haven't used it in a long time, but they're all good condition.
Me too.
Yes, I just heard from my cousin people in there need a clothes because they home just lost tsunami and moving ground.
Just me make me sad.
Money collection by bank transfer, right?
Yes, I can see.
How about sending clothes?
Shall we collect our clothes and send them to a trust foundation?
Yes,
Time passed for so fast, girls, that our conversation so was deep talk discussing about disaster, and it's that our country is being hit by a disaster. Wait a minute, can I see my watch? Oh my god, it's 9 p.m. girls. Wow. Thank you for the time and sharing. I love you girls. Good night. Have a nice dream. Bye.
Bye. Thank
Bye. See you
you.
Bye.
later.
Thank you. See you later.
See
Have
you
a
next
nice day.
time.